In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite an element in Canva. This is a simple trick that can save you a lot of time, especially if you find yourself using the same shapes, icons, or graphics over and over. Favoriting makes those elements just a click away the next time you need them, helping you stay consistent and work faster. Start by opening your project in Canva, the design you're currently working on, or any file where the element appears. Once your design is open, click the element you want to favorite to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box with handles around it. This can be anything from a shape or line to an icon, sticker, or photo. If it's layered under something else, click directly on the element until it highlights so you're sure you've got the right one selected. With the element selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually opens the same menu. On some keyboards, pressing Ctrl while clicking also works. The goal is simply to bring up the small menu that appears next to the element on the canvas. In that menu, choose Info. This opens the element's Details panel. The Info view is where Canva displays extra information about the item, things like the element's name, creator, and other useful metadata. More importantly for us, this is where you'll see the star outline icon. Look for the star outline and click it to favorite the element. When you click the star, it should fill in, confirming that the item is now saved to your favorites. That's it. From this point forward, Canva remembers that this particular element is one you want quick access to, so you don't have to hunt for it again. This is particularly helpful if you're building templates, maintaining brand consistency, or simply repeating a design style across multiple projects. A couple of quick tips to make this process smoother. Make sure you're clicking the exact element you want, not the background or a nearby object. If the menu doesn't appear on the first try, click the element again and right-click once more to bring up the options. Also, keep an eye on the star icon. If it's filled, it's favorited. If it's an outline, it isn't yet. To recap, open your project, select your element, right-click, choose Info, and hit the star to favorite it. It's a tiny habit that adds up to a big-time saver as your designs grow. Happy designing, and enjoy the faster, cleaner workflow this gives you in Canva.